Wow.
Busy, busy. That's fine for little kids squirming.
It'll work out.
Baby squirmer.
So now we have arm and leg quads, yes?
Leg width, arm width, head.
Upside down again.
Says who? Get outside the box.
So we should continue to see bleeding then.
Jennifer's gone.
Okay.
Ask Joanna what she wants you to do. I know she'll want you to keep your appointment.
Okay.
I think Dr. Wu is